gentlemen, thank you for your patience. We are currently number 3 in line for takeoff. Let it down, please. You could gap for departure.